This is part 2 of the taking apart the Xbox 360 controller. So once you get it like this, the only thing you have to do really is like this. Slowly take this off. Do not rip it off to the central part. Don't want it to break. Take out the plastic with the button if you want to. Sorry, I'm very clumsy. Take out the buttons, sorry. Then you put that onto the side. This thing is pretty hard to unscrew, which took me 10 tries, but still never got it, so we're gonna leave that. Okay, if you want to mod it, and take off these thumbsticks and put PlayStation 2 thumbsticks on, just like my other modded one, go ahead, feel free. So we're just gonna take off the buttons. Then, this thing won't be attached to anything. See? Okay. Oh, I also forgot. If you want to take apart, you have to take this and slowly take this off. And then, you see, you press these buttons and then push it up. And then slowly take it apart. Do not rip it. Remember that. You have to watch for the back. And then you get it off. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and or subscribe. Part 3 is coming up.